no matter how much an asset costs, how big or how small, it certainly has a potential to fail, bring down the entire plant, bring down production, and bring down capacity. How many of you feel that it's best practice to go about managing assets from a perspective of chasing dimes with dollars? Pretty sure no hands were raised on that one. So how many of you have actually done an asset criticality analysis within your organization so that you can be assured that you are not expending valuable resources doing just that, chasing dimes with dollars? Hi, Greg Perry with Fluke Reliability Solutions, and I want to bring to you a new service that we're offering, and it's called the Asset Criticality Workshop. We want to work with you and your core team to understand the criticalness of assets from an objective point of view. We want to remove flawed assumptions and emotions and take the guesswork out of determining an asset's real value. If you've never done an asset criticality analysis, this workshop's for you, because we're going to go in from a perspective of best practice, and we're going to talk about asset criticality, asset criticalness, and how we properly position those values within the value stream of your organization so that we can go about the business of managing our assets more effectively, and not just chase what we think are bad actors or be a reactive minded organization. We want to properly introduce you to what should be the first of many reliability tools that you use, and it's really the precursor to all of the tools, and it's called Asset Criticality. This 2-day workshop will introduce you to everything that is centered around criticality and criticalness, and work with you and your core team to train the trainer perspective and teach you actually how to do an asset criticality analysis. There are many different tools that we can offer during this service. There's no one-size-fits-all tool, okay? But the end result is to help you understand how chasing dimes with dollars is not a best practice approach, especially when you are looking to embark upon a condition-based maintenance program. You don't want to just start going after shiny objects or just throw spaghetti on the wall to see what sticks. You want to make the best business decision based on the criticalness of the asset and an objective criticality scoring. So give us a look. Let us know how we can help you, and quit chasing dimes with dollars. Thank you.